There's a ball. Where? Where'd you put it? In there? Yeah? Go get it. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
Give it, Aki.
Daddy need help.
It's sports.
Huh?
It's a sports ball. It's a sports ball.
It's a tennis ball. Tennis ball. Here's more.
Okay.
No. Another one. What?
Give it to my
Yeah, give one to Milo. That's a lot of ball.
I'll give it to my
All of this bread cost 450 pesos here. This is 50 per kilo. I got 2 kilos. Very cheap here. Awesome. Also this one is 192 pesos. I don't know how many kilos this is, but 192 lang. Hi guys, good morning. I'm on my way to the school. We're going to do the Brigada thing. I met Zen's teacher yesterday. So yeah, I'm on my way there and it keeps raining. It's a big store of DIY. Hey guys, so we just got home and we bought school supplies already. We got this bag over here which is really good. It's waterproof bag. Also his notebooks, 10 notebooks, And color pencil, he's got a bunch of pencil ready, and pads of paper in case if they're gonna draw in school. He's got eraser, and my baby's sleeping. Spatulas, finally we arrived today. Got everything I need. For the past days I don't have it. I'm using the old one, and now it came today. So glad. Excited to cook.
Yeah, tinabanan ako na nagagawa.
Ay, okay naman buang. Siyo. Sayo naman kayo. Maglabis ko katong hugaw flayo.
Oo, sanoy. Daga nga, ulod ito.
Ulod? Hoy!
God.
Dahil na uman. Patay na. Patay na? Patay na? Kita ka? Patay sa?
Patay.
Dahil, suksok na. Hindi na kailangan na. Bahala na doon. Bahala
Asa?
doon. Di suksok. Ayaw ko, ana. Ikaw mo. Suksok ka nang naibula, ha?
Anay, dali?
Oo. Brown color. Ayaw, wa doon. Mara gugog na.
Ay, ginoo.
Pero ko kuyapan kita ka?
Dala,
Now,
ulit.
mo? Bakit mo? Pero killer, Brian?
Oh, Jesus.
Trying to get the top only so that I cannot touch it. It's super fun. I mean, it's not hard. Ah! Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I don't know about you guys, but natakot talaga ako sa kuan ba, ulod ba. Kaya nag-stop na lang ako mag-help doon ba kasi ayoko, hindi ko talaga kaya mga guys. I can't handle it. So I'm just gonna cook dinner. So when she's done, she can eat dinner. We can eat dinner together. Para akong ano ba, gimata-mata sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, gimata-mata, like palagi ka nang nakakikita ng ulod na. Kung hindi ka takot sa uod, hindi ka makarelate sa feeling ko ngayon. Pero for me, my God, it will take a long time to get rid of that looks. But I'm going to make like pinakbit style, but without shrimp paste. Kaya I can't cook shrimp paste here because it will be stinky. The whole house will be stink. The whole house will stink, and my partner can't handle the smell, so respect for him. So I'm gonna cook all of this because it's gonna go bad. Nakahiwa na kasi to siya. Anything na parang worm, uod, ganon, ayoko. Oh my God. See. Like everything I'm feeling right now, it feels like it's crawling on me. Englishman. Sa sidewalk pa doon, may mga tinda sila na gulay, and we went there last night to buy mango, and I saw a bunch of vegetables over there, fruits and vegetables actually, and super fresh. So we plan to do the groceries over there. I mean, like vegetable wise, but meat should be in the mall kasi maraming pilian doon. But yeah, vegetable over there is cheap and fresh. So that's what we're gonna do next time. We're gonna do groceries. I learned a few words today. Like mangkot, like ask. What else? Amat-amat, meaning ata like unti-unti, something like that. I think bayo means like clothes or something like that. I don't know. And also opod means your sibling, your sister, something like that. I don't know. I think that's what it meant. Wala nga, oy. After a year, I think I could learn a little bit here.